Question number 3. Think about a geometric shape that best describes your personality. Color it and give a suitable title to describe yourself. Here we have to choose any geometrical shape which represent your personality. So, and you have to give title to describe yourself. So here the geometric shape I'm going to choose so here title of that personality was describing yourself is multivisionary. So multivisionary. So here shape was developed hexagon. So here it reflects my mind used to think about multi-dimensional wise. With this reflection, like the way we are going to think about one problem comes to solve that problem, thinking about another direction. So not to in a positive way, instead of stuck in one direction, to solve that problem, thinking of multiple vision. So here I'm going to show you hexagon shape. It depends upon like each shape having one concept and explanation. Triangle, square. It should be like 3D or 2D form. They didn't specifically mention which geometric shape, 3D or 2D. So here I choose 2D geometric shape, hexagon. It reflects multi-dimensional way. So again I will continue with this. Here it can develop like one hexagon surrounded with many hexagons in different visionary way. Will come. was showing developing all the dimensional ways. Can choose one shape or same shape you can repeat, like explaining about your personality. Your question was simple, but you need to give proper explanation why you choose this shape. Here I choose, I'm developing multi shapes, like if one problem comes to come out that problem, how to think another solution. To solve the problem, thinking of different ways. So here I was using the colors like orange shades, the vibrant color reflects vision. Can go with bright orange color here. Color filling is, we need to do it very fast, not to waste your time. Any one direction. Should not come with patches while you are coloring. Was using shades of orange. The geometric shape I was choosing was hexagon, and title given is multivisionary. How this hexagon having different sides to explore all the directions. One shape also enough, but to give you what is multivisionary explanation, I did surrounding hexagon shapes also. You should spend not more than 20 minutes for this question. The shape explanation and title is very important, so coloring inside the shape also should not get any patches. There is nothing to do very hard here, just we need to whatever the question going to ask in exam, we should ready to face. In this way you should answer this question. Geometric shape, best description your personality, and title. Shape was chosen hexagon, the title was multivisionary.